Messi shadow when he was at Barcelona, but outstanding when he was at PSG. Every club he goes to, he delivers, and he's a superstar. That's why they brought him to the club.
Yeah, he gives them global appeal, doesn't he? But the way that they're playing, the way Mitrovic is playing, for example, and he's not the only one, it wasn't as if the team were waiting for him to consistently near the top in the title race. You know, they've not been winning the league, but they've been in the top 5 more often than not in the last 15 years, for example. And yet here they are. They're a bit on the... Yeah, Malcolm there with Neymar. Neymar's looking pretty relaxed as he prepares to go out. He'll be keen to sort of make his mark, won't he? Because there are marquee names in this league. Of course, Cristiano Ronaldo, the first of them. But having arrived, he'll be very keen to remind everybody of his quality, which of course is exceptional. Well, unbeaten Hilal won 3 titles in a row before last season's 3rd place. They know there won't be too much. Hilal, the only remaining unbeaten team in the Saudi Pro League this season. 5 wins and 2 draws from their 7 matches so far. Shabab have pedigree in this league though, and consistency in recent years, finishing in the top 5 in 10 of the past 14 seasons, including 4th in
6. They've got a lot of good players.
Yeah, so many good players on the pitch, and there's one of them, Alexander Mitrovic, as we're underway. Al Hilal by Koulibaly, and needed to be as well as the ball's played forward. And Neymar having a little sniff, but it was actually Brown was for a little while the coach of Al Hilal a few years ago, back in 2018. Been elsewhere since then. It's a free kick for the home side. Savic, he's in red already this season as well. Milinkovic-Savic. As they venture forward, and Babri sends it away to the far side. The cross count. Salim Al-Dalsari. Skill. Have the best year of his career, the 1 year in London with Chelsea, after of course carving out a brilliant career with Napoli in Italy. Here comes Abdul Hamid to the heart of the penalty area, headed away by away at time. Late Cristiano Ronaldo penalty. Well, going down inside the penalty area there was Salim Al-Dalsari. Into the penalty area it goes. It was always going wide of the goal, but Kim Sung-gyu had to... Sco is looking for an opening. They'll be looking for him to try and find one, and Carrasco fires the shot right across the face of Bono's goal.
Yeah, it's good play, but he was offside. I did think he was offside, but he delayed.
Play route proves that Neymar is not the only skillful Brazilian in this lineup. So far, the number 5 for Al Hilal. Malcolm's collided with one of the Al-Shabab players as Abdul Hamid sends it into the middle, floats the ball forward. Habib Diallo, here's a chance. Can he open his account? Door closing. It's wide.
See, it's a striker that's not full of confidence, because once he gets in that position, the
challenge comes in on Malcolm quickly. Ball just gets away from Banega. It's sure it was it a soft free kick, or was he caught there on the Achilles?
I did think it was soft, but
Neymar considers his options. Floats it in, finds the head of Dos Santos. Mitrovic goes down. Penalty.
He has given a penalty, and he blew the whistle. It'd be interesting to see if he overturns it.
First big call of the night for the referee from El Salvador, Ivan Bartol.
Right, with all the experience they've got in their team.
Koulibaly sweeping it forward. Abdul Hamid chasing. Swiftly in there. Well, we've seen that so many. Dalsari sends it forward. Malcolm tries to flick it in. It's collected by Neymar, and it's blocked by Roman Saiz.
You see the fans getting up. They're desperate for Neymar to score. You can hear.
It's got Milinkovic-Savic alongside. A delicate little flick into the body of the ball in. Banega. Sakura across, and Koulibaly in the right place at the right time there. Good job for Al Hilal.
Yeah, Sakura makes a huge problem.
He's now racing to try and get back, and he was weeks ago. Played for Brazil, of course, as Malcolm tries to tee it up, sending it forward. In it goes, miscued by Mitrovic, cleared away by Saiz, and Al-Qahtani sent it away. Al-Shirani getting well forward. Yes, behind the team, trying to lift them. And Neymar with a little flick through. Here's Malcolm. Good. Just get the feeling maybe Al Hilal are just starting to go through the gears a little bit. They will get a penalty this time. Milinkovic-Savic, I think, was aware that challenge was coming in from Iago dos Santos.
Yeah, that's a penalty. Milinkovic-Savic does it.
We're about to find out. Oh, and it's been saved! Yes, he can keep it out! Sensational save by Kim Sung-kyu. And Neymar will have to wait longer for his first goal in the Saudi Pro League. It's worth another look. Dalsuri, Neymar to his right, and Mitrovic heading towards the far post, and the overlap outside of Al Dalsuri, and here he is. It's looking delivery just over the top of the bar. Super player at full flight. It's Malcolm who feeds it through, and Mitrovic is denied by Iago dos Santos.
Yeah, it's good. It's good from dos Santos. The one mistake that Santos has made was the penalty.
There could be a chance. And the header, oh, just wide. The chance to bring it forward. But a lovely little pass with the outside of his boot. But again, kick. Now Carrasco. Hilal 0, Al Shabab 0.
Shake his hand and say, thanks, goodbye.
So Al Shabab with Habib Diallo will get us underway at the start of the second half. Diallo, the Senegal international, with the ball back into Gustavo Cuellar. Malcolm who sweeps it forward. What a ball from Malcolm. Into Neymar. The layoff comes from Hatan Babri, and it goes El Sakour with an opportunity. He wanted a penalty. He seemed more interested in that than getting the shot in. But
yeah, I think
Al Nassr and Al Hilal both on 18 and Al Ettifaq on 16. They're playing tomorrow, and it goes into the middle. Neymar trying to get in there. All hands on deck for Al Shabab.
It's good defended
by Malcolm. Blue shirts forward here. It's got Diallo in the middle. Babri up there as well, and he smacks the outside of the upright.
Yeah, it's good feet from Carrasco, on that left-hand side. He does ever so well. Squares up Malcolm.
Koulibaly's popped up as a makeshift centre forward as Neymar tries to wriggle free. Al Dalsuri finding Neymar at the first touch with Malcolm. Lovely little exchange between them, looking for Al Sharani. Diving in was El Sakour. Touch from Neymar, who stays down. So Al Dalsuri tussles, still has it, and in the end it's an easy save. And here they come again with Kalidou Koulibaly. Flashing past the foot of the post.
You know what Koulibaly's done?
They're really making a game of it now into the penalty area. El Sakour and Carrasco couldn't quite tee it up quickly enough. Then he goes for goal, and the moment had passed.
It's brilliant play down the right hand side. And Carrasco does ever so well.
And it comes from Neymar. And headed into the back of the net by Kalidou Koulibaly. With his first goal for Al Hilal. The Senegalese defender with an unstoppable, powerful header.
Yeah, it's brilliant, to be fair. He timed his run. The corner from Neymar is outstanding. He puts it into an area, and there's only one winner there. Koulibaly was determined. He wanted to get on his head on it. Great ball in from Neymar. Brilliant header from Koulibaly. Al Shabab will be disappointed, though. Can't give someone of Koulibaly standing a free run and free header, but brilliant header into the bottom corner.
Faced by Dos Santos, sliding it through. Here's Neymar, and Neymar puts it across, and it's blocked on the line, is it? And finally in by Alexander Mitrovic. 2-0 Al Hilal.
It's brilliant from Neymar. He could easily score there, Neymar, but that's when you see Neymar's quality there. He says to Mitrovic, go now and tap it. And you think Mitrovic has made a meal out of it, but he gets up and does ever so well. But outstanding football from Neymar. In this second half, he really has come alive.
For a moment there, it looked as though Neymar was going to get off.
বাবার দিক থেকে তিনি তৈমুর লং ও মায়ের দিক থেকে চিঙ্গিস খানের বংশধর ছিলেন। মধ্য এশিয়া থেকে বিতাড়িত হয়ে বাবর ভারতে ভাগ্য নির্মাণে নিয়োজিত হন। তিনি নিজেকে কাবুলের শাসক হিসেবে প্রতিষ্ঠা করেন এবং আফগানিস্তান থেকে